Okay, good afternoon. Robert Miller with C-Days. I want to take a couple of quick minutes to kind of go over what I'm going to be packing for all of our Kramer equipment for our trip to Alaska. So as I mentioned in my other packing video, I do have a backpack specifically for a camera. This works out great for keeping all of my camera equipment. But I'm also going to use this as a regular backpack. Once we get on board, I'll unpack all this stuff and store it in the room, and then we'll be able to use this as a backpack because we do intend to do some hiking, and I'm going to need a backpack for doing that. So, all right, so that's for the backpack. Now, our primary camera, of course, is this Sony ZV-1. Very good, works out great with Julia software for doing videos on our cruises. So we've used this for several cruises, and it is a great camera, and it works out great for getting the job done. We'll also bring the microphones with us over here to make sure that we have good audio, so we'll be packing this as well. We're also going to bring the GoPro. Now the GoPro works out great, especially for time lapse, because there's so much beautiful scenery that you can time lapse by, and so we definitely want to make sure we have that. And this tool works out great for clipping on and doing like sunrises, and you know, if you're going under a bridge or it's something that you want to keep it steady and just let it go time lapse for a while, this works great. I've used this a number of times very successfully.
Yeah, we've done the Lionsgate Bridge coming out of Vancouver with that.
Of course, we'll be using a selfie stick as we're doing the walks or our hikes, so I'll make sure that I have this with me all the time. For regular just mounting for the ZV-1, this works out great. This tool does good to keep everything steady and put it on a tabletop surface, so we'll be using this as well. I have plenty of memory, and I'm going to be getting a couple more SD cards. I would like to get a couple of 64s, so I'll probably see if I can pick those up at Costco, see if they have a deal. And but I'll have my memory storage. Plenty of batteries. We'll have backup batteries for sure. Camera backup batteries, so those will be included. We are probably going to take the gimbal, kind of hit or miss on how well this works, so we'll probably take it along to have it, and we may or may not use it, but I want to have it just in case. Another addition that I normally would not take will be the tripod, because there's so many places to set up out on the deck. This will work out great for that. Movable, so keep everything steady and straight and not shaky at all. So it's a bit of a pain to pack, but I'm gonna go ahead and bring this along as well. So that is the extent of my camera bag and all the electronic packing. Now obviously there's a ton of cords and other you know, for the phone and the computer that we'll be bringing. We'll be bringing a laptop with us and all of that, but that will be getting carried in our regular suitcases.
Well, and your laptop fits in that.
Yeah, it does have a spot for the laptop.
Yeah, there's a zipper back there.
Zipper in the back here behind,
Yeah,
so
I'm gonna throw him off guard here. I'm gonna have him show you that, but
yeah, I don't know if I am or not. Is it, where's it at? Well, they'll just have to trust me that there's, oh, there it is.
I was like, I knew it's there. There it is.
There it is. So
Okay, so
I can't
yeah.
carry a laptop with me.
Yep.
I do have a spot for that.
Yep,
so.
that's where we put our laptop when we're bringing it.
But
Whoops.
all the other electronics, the cords and stuff, I'll put them in here. They're room permitting, otherwise they'll go in our main suitcase.
Yeah, it has some pretty good dividers in here, so you can.
Yeah, I don't
Organize
have
it.
this organized yet, but once you can put dividers
That's a
in
great
here to keep
backpack.
everything separated. So yeah, it
Yeah.
works out great.
Show me that flap again. No, the top. Yep. You see it has a little compartment there for SD cards and
Right.
smaller cords. So So yeah, it
And
works out well.
These are all removable.
Right.
So I have a bunch of these, so I can organize this however I need to
Right.
make it most efficient and get everything to fit in there.
Good deal.
All right, getting excited. 30 days until we head to Alaska.
That's right.